The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Everyone loves these crispy Vietnamese spring rolls known as QG. Known throughout Vietnam as the ultimate party appetizer and street food staple, these golden rolls combine savory ground pork, delicate crab meat, and crunchy vegetables, all wrapped in thin rice paper and deep-fried to shattering crispness. Served wrapped in cool lettuce leaves with fresh herbs and dipped in tangy nice crumb, each bite is a perfect contrast of hot and cool, crispy and fresh, savory and bright. Spring rolls. Dried rice paper wrappers, each about 8 and 20 cm in diameter. 12. Oil for deep frying, as desired. Filling. Dried glass noodles, soaked in water until soft, drained and cut into lengths 2 ounces. Egg, beaten. 1. Ground pork, 8 ounces. Cooked crab meat, 1 cup. Small onion, diced. 1 spring onions, minced. 2. Small carrot, grated to yield 1 cup. 1. Bean sprouts, seed coats and tails removed, blanched and drained, 2 cups. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Accompaniments. Butter lettuce leaves. 12. Sprigs of mint leaves, as desired. Sprigs of coriander leaves, as desired. Small cucumber, cut into matchsticks. 1. Fish sauce dip. Finger-length chilies, deseeded and sliced. 2. 3. Garlic, 3 cloves. Sugar, 1/4 cup. Freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons. Vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Water, 1/2 cup. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Prepare the fish sauce dip. Grind the chilies and garlic to a coarse paste in a mortar or blender, then combine with all the other dip ingredients and mix until the sugar is dissolved. Set aside. 2. Prepare the glass noodles. Soak the dried glass noodles in water until soft, then drain and cut into 2 3-inch lengths with kitchen scissors. 3. Blanch the bean sprouts. Bring a small pot of water to a boil. Drop the bean sprouts in for 30 seconds, then drain and rinse under cold water. Remove any remaining seed coats and tails. 4. Grate the carrot. Peel and grate the carrot using the coarse side of a box grater to yield approximately 1 cup. 5. Dice and mince aromatics. Finely dice the small onion, mince the spring onions. 6. Make the filling. In a large bowl, combine the softened glass noodles, beaten egg, ground pork, cooked crab meat, diced onion, minced spring onions, grated carrot, blanched bean sprouts, salt, fish sauce, and black pepper. Mix thoroughly by hand or with a wooden spoon until everything is well blended and the mixture becomes slightly sticky. 7. Prepare accompaniments. Wash and dry the butter lettuce leaves. Pick the mint and coriander leaves from their stems. Cut the cucumber into thin matchsticks. Cooking steps. Step 1. Soften the rice paper. Fill a large shallow bowl with warm water. Briefly dip 1 rice paper wrapper into the water, just 2-3 seconds until it becomes pliable. Remove and place on a clean, dry, flat surface. A wooden cutting board works well. Smooth it out gently with your fingers. Step 2. Fill and roll. Place 2 heaping tablespoons of the filling along the bottom third of the wrapper, leaving about 1 inch of space on either side. Shape the filling into a compact log. Fold the bottom edge up and over the filling, then fold in both sides tightly. Roll upward firmly but gently, pressing to seal. The roll should be snug and cylindrical, about 3-4 inches long. Step 3. Repeat. Repeat the softening, filling, and rolling process until all 12 wrappers and all the filling are used up. Keep the finished rolls covered with a slightly damp kitchen towel to prevent them from drying out while you work. Step 4. Heat the oil. Pour oil into a wok or deep saucepan to a depth of about 2 inches. Heat over medium heat until the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To test without a thermometer, dip the handle of a wooden spoon into the oil. If small bubbles form rapidly around it, the oil is ready. Step 5. Deep fry. Gently lower the spring rolls into the hot oil, a few at a time. Do not overcrowd the pan. Fry for 3-5 minutes, turning occasionally until evenly golden brown and crispy on all sides. Step 6. Drain. Remove the fried spring rolls with a slotted spoon or spider strainer and place them on a wire rack or paper towel lined plate to drain excess oil. Repeat with the remaining rolls. Step 7. Serve. Arrange the crispy spring rolls on a serving platter alongside the butter lettuce leaves, mint, coriander, and cucumber matchsticks. Serve immediately with small individual bowls of the NIC Keim dipping sauce.